Hi everyone, my name is Fahad. I usually do videos on the main channel, Life as Usual, but you are currently watching the second Life as Usual. Now I'm using this channel to way communicating directly to my subscribers without making a video. This is just it's the best way for me to communicate with you guys and to keep you updated with what's going on in the projects and behind the scenes, because I cannot do that on the main channel. Regardless, for the past two and a half weeks, we have not uploaded a video on the main channel. And we have received a lot of comments and obviously some concerned emails, and on Instagram you guys reached out and said, what's going on? Are you okay? Because last time you heard from me was the fire, wasn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
And are you guys okay?
Yeah.
We are okay. We're absolutely okay. We're working on the car. Don't show them the car, Alex, okay? Just this is the top, don't show. So we're still working on the car and we are getting things done, but it's just taking forever because of the, what happened with the fire and so on. My question to you guys, would you rather see a video that is end-to-end, like completed, or would you rather see half a video, basically where my goals are not achieved? Because at each intro, when I do a video, I'll say, in this video, I want to build an engine. And then if I don't end up finishing the engine in the same video, for me personally, I get upset because there's a lot of things that could go wrong. Maybe the parts are not ready. Maybe I wasn't feeling too well that week. Maybe there's a lot of things that could happen that delay us from the project. So far, it was parts, to be honest with you. And sometimes, because I'm learning, so sometimes I'm doing a job and realize, oh my God, I forgot to order a gasket. Sometimes my fault, sometimes the parts and so on. So my question for you, do you want a consistent upload every single week, whether we finish the job or not? But that may sound like if I were to do that, maybe some of you won't like that, because some of you may say, oh, you're just milking it now. It's taking forever to finish a car. What's going on? Or would you rather see a complete video where I say, I'm going to build an engine, and in the end of the video, the engine is completed? Obviously, in our case, it's not that way, but this is just an example. So this is just a quick message and a question. If you guys let me know what your thoughts, I would really, really appreciate your thoughts on that. These videos are between me and you guys, so your help and your input is extremely helpful to improve and to move our channel to the, move it forward is what I'm trying to say. Anyway, hope I can hear from you soon, guys, and I'll see you very soon on the main channel. Bye-bye.